Understand your vehicle's energy consumption and discover ways to maximize your range with the In-Car Energy app. The Drive tab displays how much energy your Tesla consumes while driving compared to two different types of estimates. The Trip View shows your actual energy usage compared to the real-world estimate from Trip Planner when using navigation. Green segments mean your Tesla consumed less energy than projected, while orange segments mean your Tesla consumed more energy than projected. See a breakdown of your energy consumption here, and tap the info icon for a description of each category. Explore range tips for suggestions on ways to potentially save energy on future trips. Rated View displays the difference between actual energy usage and the predicted driving range based on EPA estimates. Use the drop-down menu to see the data from your current drive or since last charge. You can find similar consumption breakdowns and range tips here. Vertical dashed lines in the graph indicate that your Tesla was parked and the associated drop in energy while not in motion. The Park tab shows your vehicle's energy consumption while idle. Tap on the info icon for a description of each feature and use the drop-down menu to view your data since last drive or since last charge. Explore additional tips for helping you minimize energy loss while parked. To close the Energy app, swipe down.